Hello and welcome to the first official video of ROC TV. Today we're going to be unboxing the Rustler Vxl Vxl. So first we have the Traxxas stability management on this car. So basically it's type of autopilot, keeps the car straight when you're driving quickly on rough terrain. We have the Vxl 350 motor. This is a brushless motor. Can get the car up to 70 miles an hour with the right gearing and batteries. Now we have the Vxl 3S electronic speed control, which matches up with the Vxl. Very powerful pair. Should be a lot of fun with this. And we have the TQI transmitter, which works with telemetry and also controls the Traxxas stability management. I also have the 7-cell 8.4 volts hump battery from Traxxas, which is the very most base battery you can put in this car. So it's pretty simple. This is a review of the very most stock you can get. Okay guys, so just pulls the car out of the box, took out all the foam and everything. So here's our TQI transmitter. Again, here is the TSM controller, 0 to 100% based on how experienced you are and how rough the terrain is. Steering trim is just basic controller. Does not have the Traxxas Link capability chip. That is aftermarket. So let's take the pins off and look at this body. So body's in a normal bag, as all the Traxxas vehicles are. We have the screwed-on spoiler, just basic pro graphics body. So here we have the real car. This is the best. This is one of the best cars I've unboxed. So we have the ESC, the motor. This is rear-wheel drive. Battery would go here, and this is the transmitter case, yes. So yeah, this is just a quick overview of the Rustler Vxl. Pretty simple, just basic stadium truck. I hopefully soon will do a video driving this as the first test run. Until then, thank you for watching, subscribe, tell your friends, and goodbye from ROC TV.